Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel and thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to show you how to do a simple quick fix with wood stain. This is the perfect project for beginners because it's purely cosmetic. A lot of thrifted furniture comes in really good condition with minor blemishes, and it's a great way to spruce them up, and it's not only easy but it's also inexpensive. This table came in thrifted condition, minor scratches, scrapes, but there's no gouges, and all of this is surface level type of fixes. There's also no electric sander involved in this. We just use a very fine grit sanding wedge and do a once over the top. Purchase the smallest can of stain for testing and it keeps it inexpensive. While I'm staining this table, I want to go over some tips with you. Number 1, protection. Make sure you wear gloves to protect your skin. You want to be wearing a mask if you're doing this anywhere where you're going to be breathing this in for more than a couple of minutes. Also, put on clothes that you don't mind getting dirty. Tip number 2, the applicator. In this instance, I'm using a rag, and that's preferred because rags can really get into the grain of the wood. Your other options are a bristle brush or a foam brush. Again, I use a rag because you can apply your own pressure and control the amount of stain that the wood is taking. Number 3 is watching your motion. You want to go with the grain so you don't get perpendicular stain lines on your table or on whatever piece of furniture that you're working with. Number 4, pressure. Depending on the color that's desired, the darker the stain, the lighter I would go on the pressure. You can always apply second coats if you want to get your wood darker. I would start light and build from there just to be safe.